Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in order to delete this app, you'll just have to tap and hold on the app. Now click on App Info option. And here you can see the uninstall option with dustbin icon in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure that you want to uninstall this app, then tap on OK button. So that is how you can uninstall Subway Surfers. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.